The archive or export option is used to export video and audio data to a CD and DVD drive, a network drive, or a USB storage device. The main export screen shows information about the data carriers, file format, and the start and end times for the video segments to export. The specified video segment is ready to be exported. The files are exported in Bosch Recording Station or ASF format. When data is exported in Bosch Recording Station format, the Bosch Export Viewer can also be saved. Administrator rights are required for installing the Bosch Export Viewer, and user rights are required for playback. The Bosch Export Viewer can run on all Windows XP and Windows 7 systems. The Loading Exported Video tab in the recording menu allows the user to import exported video on the BRS. The icon is displayed on the device list. Once you have played back the video, the icon for the exported video can be hidden. Data which has been exported in ASF format can be played with Windows Media Player. A progress bar shows the export progress. The export completed message indicates that the video recordings have been transferred successfully. Recorded images can be checked for authenticity. Checks are carried out on the images of the cameras displayed in the image area. Using the bottom handles of the hairline, highlight the time period on the timeline and select the Recording Authenticate menu. Start the authentication, and a message indicates whether the images have been altered or not. The Delete Video function deletes images from the cameras displayed. There are two options available. Delete images in the specified time period only. All images which are older than the final date listed are deleted. Images can be deleted for 1 day or for any number of days. Image deletion begins at 0 and ends at 24 for any given day. Stored data can be protected for 1 day or for a time period of any number of days. Data protection begins at 0 and ends at 24 for any given day. To protect video, select the Recording Protect Video menu. Use the bottom handles of the hairline to select the time period on the timeline. The date and time period is copied to the From and To fields. Click Start. The protected data is shown as shaded in the timeline area. The Remove Recording Protection function allows for the automatic removal of overwrite protection for the video and audio data of displayed cameras. Image protection is removed at 0 and reinstated at 24 for any given day. Once completed, the shading is removed from the timeline area. The Bosch Recording Station has comprehensive search and playback features for viewing stored video. Search options include date and time search, event search, motion search, and search for additional data. Let's start with date and time search. Saved images can be searched based on date and time. Select the date and time for the video segment needed. The images are displayed in the image area. Event search allows searching for alarm, video loss, continuous recording, motion-triggered video, and protected events. Click the down arrow beside the event selection field and select the event. Click the arrow keys to select the previous or next event. The events are displayed in the image area. You can check the image in the selected image window for motion. It is only possible to search for motion with locally connected cameras to a DBOS 7 or 8 unit that is a remote station to the Bosch Recording Station. You cannot search for motion with IP cameras connected to BRS. Select the camera in the image window using the hairline and highlight the time period on the timeline. Select the Search for Motion menu. A grid is placed above the image. Every cell in the grid can be selected for search purposes. Use the left and right mouse buttons to select or remove areas on the grid from the search option. Areas selected for the search are shown as shaded, and the search results are listed in the timeline area.